All right, we're going to be on Math 179 and 180. This is day 79. We're going to be multiplying fractions and whole numbers, so it's a little different. So let's look at the top of 179. Actually, it's not really different. Are you understanding the concept of multiplying fractions? I want you to circle yes or no. If you completely understand it, no problem, or circle yes. If you're having a little trouble, circle no. Number one, write the two important rules about multiplying fractions. You do not need common denominators, so common goes in the first blank. B, when we multiply two fractions, we are actually blank, blank, blank fraction. I don't know what goes there. We are actually, what goes there? Oh, finding a smaller fraction. That's right. When we multiply two fractions, we are actually finding a smaller fraction. Number two, true or false? When we multiply two fractions, we multiply straight across, top and bottom. True. Now let's add on to this concept. Sometimes we need to multiply a fraction of a whole number, like this, 9 times 1/3. Now, if you look at this problem carefully, you'll see that we're trying to find the answer to this question. What is 9 groups of 1/3? This is how we find the answer. We place the whole number, which in this one is 9, over 1. Because remember, any number over 1 is that number. It's just written in a fraction form. Like, for instance, I could ask you how old you are, and you would say you are 14. And if you wanted to put that into a fraction, you'd say you are 14 over 1. Okay? So, hang on just a second. All right. So then we go ahead and complete the problem as usual. Just multiply across. Our last step is to turn our improper fraction 9/3 into a mixed or whole number by dividing it. 3 into 9 would be 3 whole times. So your answer just would be 3. Sometimes the answer will be a fraction instead of a mixed or a whole number like this. So 3 times 1/9 would actually be 1/3 times 1/9. See, I don't know why they did 1/3. Because that should be 3 over 1. Oh, I see. No? 3/9 reduced 1/3. I don't know why they did that. That's getting me confused. I'm not sure why they're doing that. Why they changed that. That 3 shouldn't be 1/3. It should be 3 over 1. So I don't know why they're doing that. Because up at on the other one, they showed you to put it over 1. Here, they're showing you to put it under 1, and that's not right. So let's look at number 3. Okay, so it is 7. I'm sure I'm missing something. 7 times 1 over 21. Okay, so you're going to rewrite it like this beside there. And then you're going to get your answer. So then you multiply across, you get 7 over 21, which simplifies down. Now this is a multiple of this. So we know we're going to multiply by this, making that 1/3. Okay? Now let me look on yeah, see, on my teacher books, everything they're doing, they're putting it over 1 like this. I'm not sure why they did that there on the other. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's do number 4 just to make sure you understand, and then you're going to do the rest of those. 5 of 1/25. Rewrite it. Multiply across. Simplify down. There you are. Okay? All right, so I want you to pause it, do 5, 6, 7, and 8. And it says use your fraction manipulatives set to explore this concept. Show someone what problem 7 looks like. Remember, you're asking what is 5 groups of 1/12. So you don't have to do that. I wish I could do it with you. And if you want to see it, I mean, I can show it to you, but just pause it and do those. I'll give you the answers. Actually, why don't you finish the rest of the page, even on the back, all the way through number 20. And then I will give you a grade on the whole page. Should be really easy. Now I know there is one word problem there on number 12 on the back. Sure. 1 quart pitcher of the syrup was needed to fill 2 jars. How many pitchers would it take to fill 20 jars? Okay, on number 12, you can actually write a proportion. Just remember that. Just try it. Just try it on your own. Just see if you can figure it out. If you get it wrong, it's okay. I'm not going to read the answers to you because that's a lot of things. We'll just check it when you're done. So you can just put it on my desk. And if you get a lot wrong, that's okay. I'll explain it to you. But anyway, see what you can do. Finish the rest of the page front and back. And that will be all for today.